Let me talk to you a little bit about our vanilla bean and why our vanilla bean is so special and so important. First, vanilla is the number one flavor that's sold throughout the United States and the world. So if your vanilla isn't special, well, then you're in trouble. So what makes our vanilla so special? Well, first of all, we use 100% pure vanilla. And with the cost of vanilla nowadays going through the roof, most manufacturers have gone to blending natural flavors instead of using 100% vanilla. Villa Dolce guarantees that we always use 100% Madagascar vanilla in our vanilla flavor. So whenever you think of topping off that amazing brownie or caramel or butter cake with a product, do you want something that leaves that real vanilla taste or something that has a little bit of an aftertaste to it? Because that's what you're going to get with some of the flavors. Our vanilla is clean, it's crisp, and it's an amazing topper to any dessert that you bring your customer. And it's so smooth, it's so rich. And that's due to the low overrun. Villa Dolce's overrun is half of what traditional ice cream is. So you get that smooth, clean texture. It is so good. I'll need a brownie, a chocolate chip cookie, something to put on that. That's amazing. Let us see some of the other flavors. So, torta di limone. This flavor is amazing, and it's also one of our signature flavors that you will not find anywhere else. We actually get the pieces, torta, which means cake in Italian, brought in and baked from an Italian company. So it has an Italian base, and swirled in what you see, as you see if you zoom in here, what you can see is these big, huge chunks of torta, which has a really lemony, tart taste, which really is an amazing companion to the lemon base that's around it. It's absolutely phenomenal. You'll love it. This is one of our flavors that you will absolutely not find anywhere else. I can't even talk right now. It's so good. I don't even know what to do. Let me tell you about our Sicilian Pistachio. Now, our Sicilian Pistachio is known as our flagship flavor, and that's because we use Bronte certified pistachios to make it. Why is that important? Well, Bronte is known as the region where the world's best pistachios come from. So we feel as an authentic Italian company, we needed to use Bronte pistachios to really give you that authentic, real pistachio, deep, earthy flavor. As you can see, the green from this pistachio is the natural color that comes in a pistachio. There's no food coloring, there's no additives. It's the pure Bronte paste mixed in with our sweet cream to give you that smooth, nutty, really strong flavor profile that really you don't see in other pistachios. This flavor is amazing. I can't get enough of it, and I know you're gonna love it. Villa Dolce's Piedmont Hazelnut Chocolate Crunch. This flavor is so amazing. Why do I think it's amazing? Well, I'll tell you why. First, we start with a Piedmont hazelnut base. Piedmont hazelnut is a place in Italy where the best hazelnuts in the world are grown. Then we add in an all-natural Nutella swirl, and we top it off with little pearls of hazelnut that are on the top. So this flavor not only hits you with a Piedmont hazelnut, but then you get the Nutella swirl, and to top it off, you get the little beads. It's amazing. Let me see. Let me give this thing a try here. Let me see if it's as good as I remember it. It's actually better. I can't wait for you to taste this because it's really unbelievable. And I promise you, you've never had a hazelnut like this in your life. So, Argentine sea salt caramel. What makes this flavor so much better? Well, let me show you. First, you see those little truffles right there? Those are salted caramel chocolate covered truffles that are embedded inside the gelato. So we have a dulce de leche base that we import from Argentina, and then inside of that you see all these truffles. It's unbelievable. You'll love it. It's another thing that makes Villa Dolce different from anybody else. These truffles are unbelievable, so I'm going to get a scoop with a truffle. I mean, it's unbelievable. I can't wait for you to try this because It's amazing, amazing.